Datong by Ling Hui. Turbid waters once called Taiping, known as Datong nowadays. In mountains lush and green, a tile dreams going on. A poem by Ling Hui.
Wow, beautiful. Hi everyone, I am U.AMAZING.
Hi everyone, I'm Will, linking 368 Taiwan. Today we're in Datong, Yilan. The altitude here is 1,840 meters. This is Taiwan's largest high mountain lake, Chuifeng Lake. And look over here, it's like a photo filter. Snap a casual photo and it'll be beautiful. It's also known as the Maid in the Mist. Have you noticed it's really quiet?
And do you know why?
Why?
Oh, this trail is very unique. It's been certified by the Quiet Parks International as the world's first quiet hiking trail.
The first?
Plus, I suggest if you come here, you have to use your ears to appreciate the nature around you.
You're right. Right now it feels like we're in a recording studio. Like all around us is natural acoustic foam. It's so quiet. There's no sound.
Come here. As the mist billows and changes, Taiwan's largest high mountain lake, Chuifeng Lake, shows us its many faces and ever-changing beauty. It's impossible to tear yourself away. The most unusual thing is the trail around the lake has been internationally certified as the world's first quiet hiking trail. What kind of magic does it have to receive a worldwide recognition? Today, we use our ears and our souls to listen and feel for the answer.
We've walked a long way. We're in the forest now.
Feels mysterious, right?
Yeah, it feels primeval.
Oh, let me show you this. Over here. Oh, let me tell you about this.
What is that?
Oh, to our viewers out there, the reason this trail is certified quiet is because the ecosystem here is just absolutely perfect for it. Look at the moss here. It's like a sponge.
Yeah, like the acoustic foam in the recording studio. It's soft. I've heard they tested this place. It was 20 decibels, I think.
Oh, 20 decibels is extremely quiet.
Right. For instance, talking quietly in a library is about 30 decibels.
That's 30 decibels.
So this place is quieter than a library.
Wow.
Close your eyes and listen. To our viewers out there, your speakers aren't broken. Don't turn them up too high or you'll get a scare. This place is really, really quiet.
Walking along this quiet forest trail, we can finally feel the serenity of nature far from the city. It makes an elegant prologue for this trip of ours. Datong village, Yilan County, it was once called Min Nao, a word from the Atayal language. It describes a lush, green, endless forest. At the same time, its wildness is full of life. That's how Atayal hunters saw Datong. It is also cradle for Taiwan's most precious tree species.
Oh yeah, do you feel like this road is extremely bumpy?
Yeah, I do.
Look, it's all white outside. You can't see anything.
And it's all foggy. We come to another mysterious feeling place.
Yes, right now we're in the Yilan area. Right now we're driving along Forest Road 100. You should know this is a special protected area. You have to apply to enter.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you have to apply or you can't get in.
Oh, our destination is an incredible forest of divine trees. I've heard that every divine tree is more than 1,000 years old.
1,000 years old? So old. I've heard it's an international treasure, right?
Yeah, seriously, but I think we still have another half an hour or so of driving.
All the trees here look enormous. We've arrived at Yilan Divine Tree Garden. We've already seen several divine trees.
This place is Asia's largest cypress forest. There are hundreds of divine red cypress and Taiwan cypress trees.
More than 100?
Well, 51 of them have names, all 1,000 or even 2,000 years old.
Oh, that's amazing.
I've heard this is a potential World Heritage Site, right?
Right. Some professors, some from Tokyo University, have been doing research for a long time. Hopefully they can apply to be a World Heritage.
Oh, people from outside of Taiwan love going to World Heritage sites because we don't often get to see such things.
Well, in a moment, I'll take you to see them.
Oh, sounds good.
I'm going to show you what I think is the most beautiful part of the garden.
Wow, it's enormous, even bigger than the ones before.
The first word it hears every day is, "Wait, here's another one."
Wow!
Wow! Yes, look at that.
Louder and louder. It's so close.
It's so close to us.
If you stand there and look up, this one's name is U.AMAZING, one of the 8 masters of the Tang and Song. Here you can see on the placard, the date it sprouted was during U.AMAZING's time. So it's over 1,000 years old.
1,000 years. Wow.
Yes, but around here, 1,000 years old is just a little kid.
Really? A little kid?
Later, I'll show you our oldest tree, Confucius, 2,500 years
2,500.
old.
Wow.
Yes, but look, when no one else is around, I often gaze at this tree. I've seen it breathing, I've seen it pulse. It's just like its rings, my thoughts go round and round, moving back into the history.
Oh, then can I ask, since we're so close, can we touch it? Just like a little bit?
Or is that not allowed?
Oh, here it says, if you love me, don't touch
So
me.
don't touch it, everyone. Just use your eyes, don't touch.
So if you touch it and he touches it and I touch it too, it could harm the tree. So we'll respect the beauty of my very favorite divine tree. We'll just look at it amidst nature.
Just let it be.
Yes. This tree is named Confucius, our oldest divine tree.
Oh, the oldest.
A lot of time, kids are brought here by their moms to pay their respects. Supposedly, they'll do better on tests.
Finally, a divine tree with a name that non-Taiwanese can understand. Confucius is famous everywhere.
Yes, yes.
Yes, Confucius.
The coolest thing about Confucius, you'll remember this when you go home.
Is it staff?
Here.
It's connected up there.
That's right. Do you think it fell from above or grew up from the ground?
Oh, look at it. I think it grew up from the ground.
That's right. It grew up. It wants to photosynthesize, so it has to climb upwards. This staff is very special. It's part of what makes Confucius special.
Oh, day before we leave, I'm going to pay my respects because I want to be smarter. I want to be smarter.
Bow, bow.
Yeah, might as well since I'm here. Hey, look at this.
This is the fattest tree in the garden. Its circumference is 15.2 meters.
It would take a dozen people holding hands.
If it were allowed, at least 10 people for sure. It's so wide.
Well, Taiwan has 2 kinds of cypress trees. One is red cypress, the other is Taiwan cypress. This one is named Sima Qian. It has the classic traits of a red cypress. It's thick and strong and it's shaped like cauliflower. And just like me, its bark is thin and delicate. Those are the traits of a red cypress.
Here comes the fog. Look at this.
Yes, our cypresses live in cloud forests like these divine trees.
Oh, look how much there is. Look at this fog.
Anywhere you see cypresses, there will be fog. It's a requirement.
Statistics show only 1% of forests worldwide are cloud forests, while Taiwan is a mountainous island on the border of a subtropical and tropical. Though small, it's full of cloud forests with abundant diversity and a wealth of mountains and forests. Walking in Asia's largest divine tree garden among the fog and mist, you feel a sense of freedom lost in the clouds.
Look at this. Ahead of us, there are Taiwan cypresses, also called hinoki.
Wow, this is so cool. Its roots are all out there.
Oh, it's 2 trees together.
Wow, 2 trees together, so romantic.
2 different trees.
That's right. One is red cypress and one is hinoki.
What, this one, Joe?
This one? I'll let you have a look. This is a bunch of trees
whole
all
bunch.
together.
Wow, they look like a family.
Is this one?
Yes. That's a first generation tree.
First generation?
The one lying down is a second generation tree.
Second generation.
And here's a third generation tree. Beautiful, right?
The one standing?
Yes, the beautiful one here. Now there's another generation, the fourth.
There's a fourth generation.
It's the little one. Look at
Wow,
the
that
leaves.
one.
That's right, that one.
But it's growing from the other one. How is it that possible?
Yes.
It's had a baby.
Every time I come here, I remember back in 2015, Typhoon Sudele came through and caused heavy damage to the garden.
Oh, no.
7 enormous divine trees fell.
Oh.
But after I came here and saw this, I realized something. After these trees fell, they let the sunlight in, right?
It came shining in.
Yes, so the plants down below.
Oh, it had a chance to grow.
Yes, so they finally got their chance. And so I got to see the moment the cypresses here gave birth to a new generation.
It's a cycle of life.
That's right, it's a cycle.
Life finds a way.
Finds a way, yes.
In nature, life always has a wonderful way of continuing on. Creation goes on and on. As long as we cherish and protect it, we can coexist with it in peace. In Yilan Divine Tree Garden, I became witness to a priceless ecosystem and learned a valuable lesson for life.